Hello everybody and welcome back to G Bear's Off-Grid Ways, a homestead in the desert. And here we are on Friday, July 12, 2019. And yeah, it's going to be another hot one today, and it's calm as can be. It is like a 1 mile per hour wind, and it's already pushing 90, and it's the morning. So I'm going to work in the shade today. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start cleaning out this area here. I should have it done in about an hour or so, and then I'll be able to pull my van in there and get it out of the hot sun, because yesterday I went in there to get something, and oh my god, it had to be 300 degrees inside that thing. So I'm going to get it inside of here and get it out of the sun so it stays cool. And well, not only will it stay cool, but then heck, people coming up and down the road won't know if I'm here or not, because you can't see my van. My van will be hidden between containers. Yep. I also might decide to get, I've got the blinds ready. So I think I'm going to get the blinds up on the glass doors back there so I can close that off. And people can't see through, but it is low E and tinted glass, so from a distance it's hard to see through there. But yeah, that's going to be my plan for today. I'm trying to get things done early morning. That's outside here, so I've already gone over and checked on my water supplies and all of that stuff, and gone down to the garden house and got everything watered to make sure that it's going to survive this heat. And chickens got their swimming pool filled, and they got their water filled, and they got their food filled, so they should be happy for a little while. And I just gave them some treats. I'll check in on them later this afternoon. They'll probably all be hunkered down in the shade somewhere. Anyway, the outdoor shower, my mass shower, that's been getting a lot of use in this heat. I hit that 2 or 3 times a day. And then if it gets too hot, I go inside and I turn that little air conditioner on and close up everything, close the windows up and the shades and all of that, like I've got it right now, except for the front door. And I turn that air conditioner on, and it cools that whole cabin down in no time, and I can sit inside of there and relax, watch some TV, watch a movie or something like that, or get online and start looking up some of the items I need to purchase. So there's a threat of monsoonal moisture heading this way for the weekend, and I doubt if I'll be able to get the tar paper and roofing paper and all that stuff on there by then, but just in case, I think the OSB should hold it. We don't really get that much rain here. I'm kind of like in a trough where the weather goes around me, as you know from my other videos. So we'll see, and hopefully that I won't get any roof damage or anything like that from it. All right, I'm going to cut this one short, get my work started here, and I also have to replace some screens on the motorhome that the sun has eaten up. So I'll be having some stuff to do, but I can work in the shade inside of there, so it doesn't look like I'm here, and it looks like I'm getting things done. G Bear signing off.